Bermuda Triangle mystery solved? Experts reveal rogue wave theory could be the cause of the supernatural. Well, we've all heard of the Bermuda Triangle, even though U.S. Navy and U.S. Board on Geographic Names do not recognize it. Who hasn't heard of this? It's a mysterious and mystical place. And for decades, this Bermuda Triangle has captured our imaginations with unexplained disappearances of ships, planes, and people. Since records began back in 1851, it's estimated that around 8,127 people have been lost in this Bermuda Triangle. Some speculate that these disappearances are the result of extraterrestrials or the lost city of Atlantis. We've even seen various pyramids recently being discovered under the water of this Bermuda Triangle area, or vortices that suck objects into other dimensions. Others have provided some explanations that are a bit more grounding in science, including ocean outgassing, the disruption of geomagnetic field lines, water spouts, tornadoes that form on water and can reach wind speeds as high as 190 kilometers, that's 120 miles an hour, and so on. Studies by Norwegian scientists from Arctic University found new evidence supporting ocean outgassing or flatulence has been behind some of these shipwrecks. Half-mile wide, 150 feet deep craters found off coasts, suggesting the sea has the potential to produce enormous blowouts of methane gas that builds up under the ocean floor, and so on. Now, what is the newest theory here? The secret behind hundreds of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle may be down to a natural phenomenon in the region. Warren Muggleton of Daily Star reports, the legendary Triangle, the large region of the North Atlantic Ocean between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, mapped with the shipping lanes as vessels cross ports in the Americas, Europe, and the Caribbean, is also known as the Devil's Triangle. It's been linked to, as we said, several unexplained incidents, supernatural disappearances over decades. The reason for these disappearances may be down to a natural phenomenon they call rogue waves. These are surges of water created in very rough, stormy seas, which can throw boats off course. A documentary on Channel 5 called The Bermuda Triangle Enigma has the aim of solving this mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. The co-presenters heads to the University of Southampton in England. That's where they have technology to bring nature inside with simulators and recreate rogue waves. In the clip here that you'll see, I'll leave a link down below for you in the description box, they recreate the structure of USS Cyclops. That's a legendary vessel which took 300 lives on a trip from the Caribbean to Baltimore, and the ship had a very flat base designed to store more material. When a replica is placed in the tank with rogue conditions, it doesn't take long for the water to cause chaos. The model surges up and down as water crashes over the top, getting worse and worse. Dr. Simon Boxall, ocean and earth scientist, said the openness of the area added to the danger. He says there are storms to the south and north which come together, and if there are additional ones from Florida, it can be potentially deadly formation of rogue waves. They are steep, they are high. We've measured waves in excess of 90 feet. The bigger the boat gets, the more damage is done. If you can imagine a rogue wave with peaks at either end, there's nothing below the boat, so it snaps in two. And if it happens, it can sink in 2 to 3 minutes. End quote. But it's not the only controversy to surround the area recently. Some suggest the Bermuda Triangle is home to the lost city of Atlantis, thus having to do with the pyramids found under the water. I'll leave a link below for you. This on Daily Star.